College tuition has surged dramatically, escalating from just $1,231 annually in 1980 to an astonishing $28,775 by 2020. This staggering 180% increase raises critical questions about the value and affordability of higher education in today's economy. In a similar vein, housing prices have seen a significant rise since the 1980s. The average cost per square foot was only $41 back then, whereas current rates reflect a considerable escalation, highlighting the shifting dynamics of the real estate market. Moreover, healthcare costs have also climbed steeply, doubling from roughly $2,500 per person years ago to nearly $5,000 today. This surge intensifies the financial pressures that younger generations face as they navigate their economic futures. In 2023, the average annual expenditure on health insurance for Americans stood at approximately $8,435. This significant increase underscores the financial burden placed on individuals seeking adequate medical coverage in a challenging healthcare landscape. The automotive sector has also experienced remarkable changes. Car prices have drastically increased over the past 44 years. For instance, a new Toyota Corolla cost a mere $434 in 1980, contrasting sharply with today's prices. Similarly, airline ticket prices have risen over the years, driven by inflation and a growing demand for travel. In 1980, a domestic flight was about $280, while today, that cost ranges between $300 to $500, indicating a notable shift. Entertainment options have also evolved, with cinema outings being more budget-friendly in the past compared to today's ticket prices, even as theaters now offer enhanced experiences. The late 80s marked a significant transition in the music industry from cassette tapes to CDs, fundamentally changing music pricing and consumer preferences as technology progressed. Gasoline prices have indeed increased over the years. However, the time required to earn enough for a gallon has decreased. This shift reflects broader changes in economic dynamics and earning potential. During the early digital era, personal computers were priced anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000, showcasing how this technology was becoming more accessible to consumers and paving the way for future innovations. In 1980, concert tickets were approximately $15, which adjusts to around $36.85 today when considering inflation. This adjustment highlights the financial pressures concertgoers face in experiencing live music. Currently, the average cost of concert tickets hovers around $91.80, marking a significant increase from earlier years. This trend reflects the evolving economic landscape of the music industry and artists' increasing reliance on live performances. In the 1980s, toys like Barbie dolls and board games were much more affordable. Families could easily purchase these for their children, with typical prices ranging from $1 to $15. Today, the prices of toys have soared due to inflation and technological advancements, with Barbie dolls now costing between $10 and $20. This transformation affects the spending habits of families. Toys hold historical significance as they contribute to children's development and entertainment, making them vital to childhood despite their rising costs. Parents continue to prioritize these purchases. Public transportation costs have escalated sharply, with bus fares now falling between $2 and $5, marking a noticeable increase in commuting expenses over the years. The cost of attending professional sports events has skyrocketed, with ticket prices now ranging from $50 to over $200. This trend reflects the commercialization of sports and limits accessibility for families. Finally, postal service costs have increased significantly, with mailing letters now costing more than $1. This change is driven by inflation and evolving operational needs, illustrating the shifting landscape of postal services.